Hi guys, welcome back. Hi, my fellow June bugs. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. Today is day 16 of our February frenzy of handbag unboxings, where every single day in the month of February I will be revealing a bag on this channel. And if you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is June. I'm a doctor by day, but I make YouTube videos in my spare time. I think you would love it here, so please hit the subscribe and join my little YouTube family. Today I've got another Chanel unboxing. I will be honest, you've noticed there's a few Chanel unboxings. Chanel is just something that I love to collect, especially vintage Chanel, just because they're so gorgeous and unique. And yeah, I just love finding quirky Chanel pieces to add to my collection, and this one is one of them. So are you guys ready? I apologize, I've got a bit of a sore throat at the moment, so it's a little bit hard for me to talk, but you know, the show must go on, so give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate the support. It comes in this bag right here. I don't think this is the original. I don't know if this bag came with a dust bag, but yeah, this dust bag is far too big for this bag. So are you guys ready? This bag I saw on another fellow YouTuber actually. I don't know how I stumbled upon her. I was just looking for vintage Chanel, just watching vintage Chanel collections, and then she actually showcased this bag in a red style and did a what's in my bag, and I absolutely fell in love with the style. I never really thought I could find it because I literally didn't know what to type, but I just searched shoulder bag, and after quite a few months, after some time, I actually just stumbled upon it when I was looking for this particular color. So before I keep harping on, I will just do the unboxing so I can talk a bit more about the bag. Are you guys ready? Please welcome another Chanel vintage edition to my collection. That is the it is the Chanel shoulder bag. I don't even know. So it is a vintage bag. I don't know if you can tell. It is in this gorgeous white color. Hopefully it's showing up, but yeah, so it's just a shoulder bag, all leather. It's not adjustable, and it comes with this beautiful gold turn lock closure there. You open it up and it's super spacious. So it's just got one giant compartment there in the middle, and then it's got a smaller one at the front, and then another small one at the back. And then it does have a couple of zippers in the middle compartment as well, and then it also has a pocket on the back. So lots and lots of different pockets on this bag, and it is like a square style shoulder bag. The YouTuber that I saw who had this had it in a red, and that was absolutely gorgeous. I actually didn't ever think I'd find this. Like I mentioned, it's kind of hard to search for this bag. All I typed up was shoulder bag, and at the time that I was looking for it, nothing obviously came up. And then one day I kind of wanted to add a white bag to my collection. You guys saw my white square mini. I love that bag, and since having that in my collection, I really wanted something a little bit more of like a shoulder style and something a bit more carefree. So I actually was looking for Chanel white shoulder bag, and this just popped up, and I was like, hang on a minute, that looks like the one that I was searching for months ago. And yeah, I stumbled upon it, found it in great vintage condition, and just picked it up. Now the price point on this was about $3,000, which I don't know, like I feel like that's not too bad of a price, because yes, it's expensive for a vintage bag, but when you compare things at Chanel are like minimum $6,000, $5,000 for a walk, I just think that that's not a bad price, and that's with duties and shipping and everything included. So this didn't come with an authenticity card, which is kind of expected, but the condition of this bag is really good for an all white bag, to be honest. Like there's not a lot of wear and tear, like there's not a lot of scuffing, not a lot of staining. Leather on this is sort of like a calf leather. I think it's not like purely lambskin, because it doesn't feel as like buttery soft as like the normal lambskin that I've been using. But yeah, I've used this bag, and it's such a cute shoulder bag. Let me just show you guys. This is kind of how it looks like. and you can fit so much stuff in it. As I mentioned, I'm really into shoulder bags at the moment. Medium-sized style bags are really in at the moment. You can fit quite a lot in here. You can fit books, you can fit like water bottles, so it really is quite functional. The only thing is it is a short shoulder bag, so you can't really crossbody it. I mean, this looks ridiculous. You'd never wear it like that. If you really want it to be hands-free, just for whatever reason, and you don't mind how it sort of fits, you could do that. But I'm very petite, so I don't know if that would work for everyone. But I kind of love that this is just a shoulder bag as is. And I really do like one shoulder bags. Like, I personally prefer like single strap shoulder bags, is because one strap isn't always constantly falling. It's got a CC there, but this isn't, it looks like it should be like you should be able to adjust it, but you can't. And yeah, it's just really simple, but I kind of love it. There's quite a few black ones around that I've seen, and I think a black would be perfect if you don't own a Chanel bag already. I think black would be a really nice option, but I really actually wanted to get a white, and that's why I found this, because I was actually looking for a white Chanel bag, and I think that's literally what I typed, white Chanel bag, and that's actually how I stumbled upon it. And that's actually a bit of a tip for anyone. When you're looking for vintage bags, try to be as vague as possible. Sometimes you do actually have to scroll through a lot of bags to find the one that you're looking for, but that's how you find like the rare, quirky, different pieces. And also that's how you can stumble upon something for a reasonable price, because sometimes the seller won't put all the details, and so other people can't find it. But if you sort of make it as vague as possible, so like for something like this, maybe you could put Chanel shoulder bag, as vague as that is, sometimes it will pay off. If you know what color you want, you could go black, and then it will come up with a lot of black shoulder bags. Obviously, if you're really looking for something, a tip I have is, if you're on eBay, for example, putting a notification so that anytime a new bag comes up, it will just notify you, and it is easier to scroll daily for like new things that pop up rather than sort of in the once off. You're more likely to find what you're looking for. But yeah, you guys, that is it. That is my handbag reveal today, my Chanel handbag reveal. I do really love this bag. I think it's great, sort of white carefree as white can be. And I do really think this is durable, but I still would hesitate to wear it with like too many colored things, especially denim. That's why I usually wear very light colors with this bag, but it looks better with light colors anyways, or beiges. I think this would look really amazing with like a cream or a beige sweater. I love sort of that monochromatic look. But yeah, that is it, you guys. That is my handbag reveal for today. I will put the YouTuber that I mentioned in the info bar below if I can find her again. Let me know if you own this bag or if you've seen it. Let me know what your thoughts are on that bag. I would love to hear from you guys. But that is it for today's video. That is it for today's handbag unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Again, if you're new here and you enjoyed this and want to continue seeing more, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It is free to subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you get notified of when I upload future videos. As always, you guys, hope you're having a wonderful week or weekend, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.